To CSEMA. In this video, we are going to make pen drive bootable and copy the Windows or any kind of operating systems like Windows 7 or the XP or the Windows 8 into the pen drive and format our computer systems. We are going to use the software named RM-Pre-USB. The download link below in the description below. You can get the software from there, and I have already downloaded, so it's here in the download RM-Pre-USB. So double click on it and just follow all the installations processes. Okay, and then select language, and here just click on next and install. The installation has begun, and it takes little bit time to install. Here it's downloaded. Installation is complete, so just click on run now. Run RM-PSP now and insert your pen drive, and make sure you don't have any data into your pen drive, because here pen drive inserted, so it's automatically detect your pen drive, and here is the maximum size that is provided by the and its name. And here you need to consider about 6 things. First one is the drive selected. You can have multiple pen drives, so here we select all these pen drives that is inserted, name of the pen drive, and bootable loader options. Here the 5 types given here. So we have to select first one because we are going to install Windows, and second is for the MS-DOS bootable, and the third one is the for XP, and fourth one is for FreeDOS bootable, and fifth one is for the Linux. And here we have 3 file format types. First one is the FT16, second one is the FT32, and last one is the NTFS. If you have size more than 4 GB, then we have to select NTFS. Here the size of this disk is 14.5 GB, so we have to select NTFS. If we have the setup is less than the 4 GB, then select the FT32 and just click here. After doing all the things, is the pen drive is selected and the options, bootloader options and the file types, just click on the prepare drive, and it's asked to erase all your data and run the commands. So just hit enter. Okay, it's asked to erase all your data from the pen drive, so just click on OK. Then all your data elements is erased and your pen drive will be bootable. So it's just take a minute to make pen drive bootable. So wait for completions, and when it completes, then we have to copy the Windows setup into the pen drive. So we already have the files here. Close it. Here are the files. We have 3. That is the Windows 8.1, Windows 7, and here we are going to copy the Windows 8.1 into the pen drive. So just click on the ISO file, double click on the ISO. Sony storage volume is okay, so just click on exit. Okay, so exit it. Now our pen drive is bootable. So here there is nothing in our pen drive, but it's contains some kinds of codes. So just go to the installation files of the Windows 8.1, just copy all the files by Ctrl C, pressing Ctrl C, and just paste into the pen drive. It just takes some time to copy the Windows installation file from drive to pen drive, so wait for completion. The copying of file is almost done here, so we just have to go to my computer by clicking here, or just press Windows key plus E and then eject your pen drive to set it remove, because when we directly eject it from without ejecting like this, then some kind of files might be corrupted and missed. So ejected here, and that's it. The pen drive is bootable, and we can copy the Windows from the pen drive. And now unplug your pen drive and reinsert into the PC to check whether it contains the Windows 8 setup or not. So here we see that the same kind of icons here we got in the same Sony storage pen drive as we have the Windows 8.1. It means our pen drive is totally bootable and it contains the Windows 8.1. Now you can format it by using this pen drive. You can format any window completely. So, thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video.